Dear friends, welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I'm glad you're back to watch my videos. Kindly subscribe to this beautiful channel if you haven't. Shortly, I'm going to show you how to make your homemade buttermilk. We're going to put in the video description the benefits of buttermilk, but I'm going to mention very few. That it's good for gut health, it is good for your chest, it is good for people with acid reflux issues, it is good for people with H. pylori, people with ulcers, any acidity, heartburns. It is very good for your skin, it is good for your heart health, it's good for your chest, it's good for your hair growth because of the healthy fats, and many more. Use the link to check on the benefits of buttermilk that we did. They are very wide. I have my cream here. This is milk cream. I boiled my milk several days. It's just a little, but you can make a lot. I'm just demonstrating for the video. You just boil to boiling point and then you cover it to cool. Then on top it's going to form a layer of cream. Now you just scoop it and boil it again, and it's so fatty. And the good thing with the cream, it doesn't have a lot of lactose. For people with lactose intolerance, this is good. Now I'm going to put in my bowl. You can see this is pure fats and proteins. Buttermilk is a healing milk. It is so good because it contains fats and proteins. So I'm going to add some water. This is cold water from the fridge to make it to separate the cream, the fats and the milk. I may not beat it to form the butter. That is another video we're going to do, but it will form on top, even if it forms a thick layer on top, and then I'll separate the milk from it. Now, the reason why you have to add cold water is to make sure that the fats don't separate. You can see the fats are forming on top. If you add warm water, your cream is going to melt, the fats are going to melt, and that is why you're not going to get a separated cream to form the butter. Now I'm going to whip it shortly. This will help me to separate the milk. You can see right now it's forming. Just see, these are fats. These are fats that are forming on top, and that is how my buttermilk is separating from fats. To settle, you can cool it a bit. You can see the fats. These are the fats. You see? Fats. I cool it for like 10 minutes, and then I'm going to separate the milk from the cream. Now, after cooling this in my refrigerator for like 10-15 minutes, now you can see the milk is now well separated from the fats. These are pure fats. I just want to demonstrate to you that these are pure fats. It's doing something. You see? These are pure fats. You can see? Our buttermilk is ready now. My buttermilk is now ready, very thick. This is good even for babies because it is pure fats, and this is how I'm going to enjoy my buttermilk. Kindly take this. Thank you for watching and staying at Jackie Naturals. Please subscribe to help me make more videos like this that are beneficial for you and save you money.